Hey guys, let's see how you can have your Tapo C220 working on an Android device. As you can see, the camera is just right here. I just connected to power and the camera is just doing the tests, the pan, and the movement on the horizontal and also the tilt, and then the camera stops and shows the LED here flashing red and green, which means the camera is ready for the setup. If the camera is not like this, not flashing, if it's a steady red or steady green, you just need to move the lens up. And here you just need to press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds and the camera is gonna tell you that's being reset, okay? And then you're gonna have the LED flashing red and green, and you come here to your phone and you use the Tapo app to start the setup. So here, just come to the store and look for Tapo. That's the Tapo app from TP-Link. Just search here, there you go, TP-Link Tapo. You just download, create your account, log in with your account. It's a free account, you don't need to pay anything, right? And here I have some cameras available on my phone already, so I'm gonna add this new one. That's the Tapo C220, so I just come here to the plus signal and add a new device. From here, I'm gonna look for indoor camera and go down and look for the Tapo C220. Here it is. It's flashing here red and green, so I just hit next and wait for the camera to connect to the cell phone. The idea is that the camera connects to the cell phone and later the cell phone can tell the camera which Wi-Fi to connect to, which router to connect to. In this case, it's a router with the 2.4 gigahertz network. I just rescan here and it's going to look for the routers available. Then I can select mine router here. See it? That's mine. And here I have a 10 password just for test. And I want to use this one. So I just hit next. Next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. You hear the message Wi-Fi connected. And then just observe the LED here. It's going to change from red to green. That'll be steady green. That means the camera is connected to the router, okay? And then you follow the instructions here to name your camera, to set up the account with the cloud storage if you want to use the 30-day trial, and also to set up the SD card, okay? You just need to follow the wizard here step by step and it's going to work. Super, super simple. The LED is already green, so it's ready to go. Just be patient with the camera. It's trying to do all the setup here. And if this step fails after 1 minute, you can try again. Sometimes it fails, but most of the time it works pretty fine here, okay? Let's just wait for a while. There we go, you can name your camera here, and then select a location. Here you can select an icon, and it's complete. It sounds good, okay? Then I can just put the camera back there to have a nice view. And here you can just skip this 30-day trial. You can sign up for the 30-day trial, and after 30 days you can pay the monthly fee to record into the cloud if you want to. If somebody takes your camera away, for example, the SD card is there, then they take the recording. If you have a cloud storage, you're gonna have everything in the cloud, but it's optional. You can also have the SD card back there. I'm going to dismiss this for now, and then here is information about the micro SD card. I have another video here in the channel where I show how to set up the SD card. And here's the firmware update from 3 AM to 5 PM. It's going to do automatically. I just hit got it and the camera is ready to go. See here, Tapo C220. I have some extra information here. I can close this down. Update required here for the firmware. And it's ready to go. I can control the camera from here and it's working, okay? Then you can explore the menu here, check the pan and tilt, the patrol, the panel, and also talk to somebody close to the camera and vice versa. Control the alarm, the audio, privacy mode. You can just block the camera and unblock it, and also check everything here in the menu, okay? A lot of information here. Again, I have another video here in the channel where I explain everything here. So it's ready to go. The camera is working with your Android device. I have here a Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, but works with any Android device. I hope that helps. Please leave your comments here. subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.